What's going on, guys? So today we have a 2008 Honda Civic SI. He came in for a complete AirLift 3H installation. We have another one over here. I mean, this is not an SI, but everything is Mugen converted. I got this one, this full build. He came in for audio install, so he's not into performance and stuff. But this one's coming out very nice, audio installation. But yeah, never mind about that one. This one is a bag install, AirLift 3H. So this will be an unboxing video for the 3H air suspension setup. Yo, this guy, where you at? Yo, you see, you're gonna be on YouTube now. Yeah. Yeah, what else? Word? Okay. What else? Alright, so look at the mess. I'm gonna have to clean this up, but all this stuff is out. We laid everything out so that you guys could see what this brings. This is the complete AirLift 3H system. Complete. So we have everything from bags, airlines, even zip ties, which is amazing. Zip ties, screws, wire terminals. We have 4 bags, 1, 2, 3, 4, rear struts, rear bags, random fittings, 4 sensors, height sensors with the arms, more wiring, more screws, 2 via compressor. This is the 444. There you have it, guys. So that's the complete AirLift 3H system.
Right in there.
4 jack stands. We got 4 wheels. All right, so we got the car inside the garage. So now we're going to lift the car up, put it on 4 jack stands, take out the wheels. All right, so right now we're working on the front struts. So unfortunately, you have to take off the whole cowl to access the top hat of the suspension. Oh, yeah, unfortunately, this car is all rusted. So we're having a little bit of problems.
You know what that feels like? You know what that feels like?
What?
Like it's about to break the whole stud off.
Yeah. So yeah, look at this. I was able to get some bolts loose. Hopefully, it goes smooth. Yeah, nothing snaps. So let's not jinx it. So yeah, this is New York weather for you. East Coast stuff. And this doesn't look old. This is a coilover system. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. All right. So right now he got the bolts on the bottom. Now he's taking care of the top. Boom. All right. So bags are in. So up here, this is what, 14, right? Yes. Yeah, so we have 3 14 millimeters on top. And then on the bottom, the bolt is something else, right? 19. Oh, so this is a 19, and then this is a 17. Que lo que, yo? Tranquilo. Then we have Coca. running the lines. Mr. Coca.
Yo, you have that light?
No. Can't see nothing.
So you're running all the lines inside the car. So all the air lines and stuff is right here. So you have to take off all these paneling, run it through here, boom, and it's gonna be to the back. All right, so here we working on the rear suspension. He's installing the bags. Well, the strut. I'm sorry, the strut, the rear strut, the airlift strut. This is 14 on top.
Yes.
All right. So 14 nut on top, and then down here, 14 on the bottom, right there. So this is the strut from AirLift. Oh wait, bro, you. No. All right, so the next step would be taking out the springs to swap it with the bags. These right here, boom. As you could tell, it's very close to the exhaust. The bag's gonna be right there. So yeah, it's very close. It's actually gonna be rubbing, pretty much rubbing, right?
Well, it was like literally less than a finger close to the spring.
Oh wow. So yeah, so AirLift knew about this and provided this thermal wrap for the exhaust. Also, they provided a heat shield as well, so that's gonna help with the heat to come, to keep the heat down from the pipes, and the heat shield is gonna block it a little bit more. So. Jay's on the car. Jay is a
J-Jack.
J-Jack. All right, people. J-Jack has turned into a jack. All right, so the rear, we had to do something custom in the back. We had to install a nut insert, whatever you call that. They have different names for this. We have to drill out the hole bigger. So we have a step bit that will drill out this hole bigger. And we are going to install a nutsert using this device. That's also provided by AirLift. If you hit up AirLift, they should provide you with this tool. Yeah. Okay. We got it in place. Move the light away from. Okay, right there. Boom. See it, guys? So right there, the bag is going to be screwed into place. See, the bag has a rod on top. See this? So the whole bag turns, and it gets secured to the nutsert on top of the car. Yeah, I'll show you guys. All right, just wanted to show you guys. I almost missed this step. So we put the bag in. There's a rod on top of the bag that goes into the nut insert, and then the whole bag turns into the nut insert. So it turns until it's tight. Look at that. Now it's secured to the top. And that's it. Now all we got to do is zip tie the leader hose up and around and connect it to the airline. So that concludes the rear airbags. We got the strut and the bags installed. All right, so this is the front suspension. We had to take the bottom end apart because we have to adjust the height. See the collar right here? This has to come loose. So it has to go this way to come loose. And then you have to unbolt the bottom from the knuckle. You turn it and it's going lower right there. Boom. Alright, so here we measure the center of this and to the top. That's 10.5. So 10.5 will be around this area. So the fender should sit around here, more or less, just to give you guys a visual. So yeah, it's right there. That looks pretty good to me. All right, papi, espérate. I'm gonna put you on YouTube por eso. So this guy, his name is Luigi. Right there. Yeah.
Yo, but did I actually
call 1-800 Luigi. I said quiet for like 1 minute because I need to film. I'm gonna push you on YouTube either way. So, all right. So here we have the E level. I keep calling it E level. The height sensor for AirLift installed. So here's the location that we chose. It's behind the shock and it's mounted to the lower control arm right here. So right there we have perfect travel. The wheel could turn with no problem. Is away from obstructions, so it's fine. The airline is clamped onto the car. We tested. This goes up and down with no problem. This turns with no problem, and the line doesn't get in the way with anything. Same thing in the back. So in the back, we have the airline zip tied right there with the airline coming over here with a clamp there, going into the car. Same with the E level. E level is installed in a good location. We test it up and down, perfect motion. Perfect distance from this point to that point. It's mounted to the upper arm, and that's done. So that's the location for the height sensor. All right. So all the plumbing was done already. So we have the 2 compressor, the Vire manifold, and yeah, we're done. So now the next step will be is installing the wheels and calibrating the whole system. All right, so right now we at driving height. Now we have different presets here. We have this one, and this one. You get to see the pressure in each bags, the height. You see these little arrows that you see right there? Those are the height sensors. So if you want to be low cruise, you press once, twice, hold it. Oops, nope. Give me 1 second. If you want this preset, you have to click, go like that. That's for 2. Right there's adjusting. If you want the lowest settings, this twice and go down. But right now we're gonna test drive it, so we have to go all the way up. Boom. Alright, so let's test drive the car to see if everything is good. right, so it seems like everything is good. Show you guys how it looks outside. Let's go live. All right. Okay. All right, so I'll show you guys. So right there we have ride height. Let's lower the car. Let's slam it. Nice. Wheels are tucked. Clean.